If you tell people that through cutting sugar, or any other change by the way, that in 1 to 2 weeks they can expect to lose at least 13 pounds, you are categorically setting them up for failure. Insanity. Dr. Berg, who is a doctor of some sort, no doubt, but likes to say things that have a little bit of a grain of truth and a lot of bit of total BS. So one of his videos has 15 million views, I think, of the health benefits of cutting sugar from your diet. That video is mostly bullshit. I've tried to become more kind and courteous. I think it's really good. And really trying to understand different perspectives, not just trying to dog on people and be, sarcastic all the time. But at the same time, my patience for what I like to call bordering on or over the border of quack doctors has worn very, very thin. So I'm going to clap back and we're going to go through a very, very popular video. It's a very short video of, what is it, Scott? The 9 things they're going to change about you within 2 weeks of cutting out your sugar.
So what would actually happen if you completely gave up sugar for 2 weeks? The first thing you would notice is the shape of your face would change. It would go from being more roundish or puffy to a thinner face.
Will your face actually de-bloat from 2 weeks of reducing your sugar? The answer is, if you don't replace that sugar with fat calories, protein calories, or just other carbohydrates which aren't sugar, like those found in rice, pasta, bread, so on and so forth, the answer is a teeny bit. Your face is likely to de-bloat because high calorie and high carb diets can cause a little bit of low-key inflammation, and you lose a little bit of water if you cut calories really hard. So yes, that's absolutely a thing. But that doesn't mean you're losing hardly any fat. You're losing a very tiny amount of fat. And dropping 75 to 150 grams of added sugar is a 300 to 600 calorie daily deficit over 2 weeks. That really is like just 2 pounds potentially of tissue, most of that being fat. And so 2 pounds from your whole body, and if you weigh 200 pounds, now you weigh 198. It's not like anyone's going to be like, oh my God, your face is so much leaner. You might be de-bloated a little bit, but that is short term. And if you cut your sugar, but you increase your fat consumption or you increase your carb consumption from grains, then you actually will get possibly no de-bloating at all. So this is one of these things that if you promise people, hey, you're going to de-bloat, and after 2 weeks, the vast majority of people that have cut out sugar and are in not in a calorie deficit, or even if they are in a calorie deficit, they're going to be highly underwhelmed. So don't go looking around and thinking, oh man, this is a big deal. In many cases, your face will de-bloat a lot if you spend months and months with healthy foods, high physical activity, and a sustained calorie deficit. That definitely works. 2 weeks in, it's going to be a whole lot of disappointment in most people's case.